On Route number 9 was first built in 1954, and the newest one was built 23 years ago.
If you put the front of the bus in the right place, the back will follow through.
You meet lots of different people. Once you've made sure that they're all okay and happy, you can stand on this platform and just watch London go by.
This is their secret, low technology. They simply install a new diesel engine with improved emission controls.
That's about it.
I would expect a life expectancy of another 10 years.
It is the same old body with new paint, new seats, new decor, and it is all done with basic tools by common sense mechanics.
Right away.
London is refitting about 400 of these old buses for the price of 30 new ones. The Route 9 bus may be more familiar to Americans than Big Ben or Winston Churchill.
Under construction. The only thing we're getting is pictures of scaffolds.
Got it.
The bus works because it is popular. It is cheap. You can ride all day and half the night on any bus or subway in London anywhere on a pass which costs about $5. If you pay monthly, it comes out to less than $2 a day. So everybody uses the bus, especially tourists. And while boarding or leaving while the bus is in motion may be fun for some people, doing that is not very safe.
It's the only bus you can hop on and hop off in traffic. London traffic congestion, I mean, it has to be seen to be believed. It's
unsafe at any speed.
It's unsafe at any speed, yes.
Despite the dangers of jumping on and jumping off in the middle of the street, most people find it very convenient. The old Route Master, it turns out, is the little red bus that could, with the new engine that can. Tom Pettit, NBC News in London.
I'll be back with new